like a super saiyan, y'all. You the man, nah. Fucking looking fat and the book make a band, little bitch ride. I don't tell these niggas how to book
He's going for it. He's going for it.
Little bitch.
Jesus, ignorance kills the world. That's why aliens don't come visit. Then your family, then this day, I'm finna show you how to fix your sole and repair your sole on your shoe, your sneaker, basketball shoe, etc. Tutorial 101. Boom. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, and share the video on all social medias. And this help. And if this help, give a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And comment below. Dean Gang, Dean Family. Or if it helped at all. Or yeah, no further ado, let's get into it. Subscribe, comment, subscribe down below, and click that notification bell down there in that red button right there. That's subscribe. No further ado, let's get into it. And the shoes we're gonna do today are Christmas KDs. Cause you see right here, they're gone, destroyed, dismantled, gone. Just you got no words. Like just fucked, just destroyed. This is destroyed. This is gone. Shoe look nice, right? Still look nice, right? Scuff. I can can fix that. You know, with a little hit nail. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna try to fix it. And I got some crazy glue. I got from Walmart. You can get from your local Walmart or your local Dollar Tree or whatever you may sell, whatever. Well, you may like go to your local. You know, channel if you new or haven't done so already. And see y'all next time. Gang, 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 gang.